Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Planet X News, December 24th, 2019. Ladies and gentlemen, before I begin, I'd like to wish each and every one of you a very Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. I'd also like to thank all of you for your support during this year. Now, let's get down to business. Yesterday, during my live stream, I mentioned several times that because we're moving into the end of the month, this Planet X object is going to be making its way upward in its 28-day orbit past the sun's ecliptic, meaning the equator of the sun. Yesterday, there were 4 earthquakes that occurred in the Cascadia subduction zone right off of the coast of Vancouver, Canada. It's a very, very sketchy area. We're constantly watching for these large earthquakes. The devastation in that area could be massive, dealing with tsunamis. Now, we also looked at the solar wind predictor model, and I was showing you this wave of energy that was coming towards the Earth, and it looked like it was going to be somewhat of a glancing blow on Christmas Day. I also mentioned that that predictor model would be updated, and it was updated, and there was a minor change, but that minor change is now going to be a direct hit for the Earth on Christmas Day, which means we may be seeing several larger earthquakes between Christmas Day, the 26th, 27th, and 28th. We will see. I have put together some of the model information so you guys can take a look at it. I've also included at the end a diagram of this 28-day orbit and the approximate position where I think this object is at this moment. And if this is true, some of the energy from this object's magnetic field may have possibly induced these earthquakes yesterday and today. Take a look at what I found. Now, as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, in that predictor model, you can clearly see that the Earth is going to take this direct hit on Christmas Day. We will be watching very, very carefully. If you happen to live in an area where you are prone to seismic activity, please be on the alert. Have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy Holiday. And once again, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for all of your support this year. And stay tuned to Planet X News.